Hello, this is Nagaland College of Music and Fine Arts. NCMFA is located in Kohima, a Tikal model village just below Jotsoma. It was established in the year 2016 and it is under the affiliation of Nagaland University. Within a period of 10 years, the college has mentored and produced over 30 graduates, and at present, the college also has over 40 students. The college offers a 4-year bachelor's degree program in 5 distinct areas: voice, piano, classical guitar, conducting, and violin. So, if you're a lover of the art and you're enthusiastic about pursuing it professionally and within the comfort of your own home, NCMFA might just be the right place for you to be.